why would you want to do something like this? Why would you buy a piece of a property like this, demolish it, build it up, and sell it? So this is phase two. What we're doing right now is we're demolishing this property here, and we're gonna be building a property on this lot, one in here and one on that side there, right? And some of you guys asking about why would you want to do something like this? Why would you buy a piece of a property like this, demolish it, build it up, and for you to sell it, right? Just to give you a context about what this owner, what he has done. He bought this piece of land here, and his purpose is to build two property on this piece of land. Okay. For example, if you can buy a piece of land like this, and if it's gonna cost you about like $1 million just to acquire a property, and let's just say, for example, if you can build a house in this lot and it costs you about $500 per square foot, let's just say for a 3,000 like square foot home, probably gonna cost you about like 1.5 million from ground up. So the acquisitions to your construction, if it costs you about 2.5 million, and if you can sell a property for, let's say, 3 mil, you know, you could probably profit about 500,000 per project like this. So that's why people buy a property like this, demolish it, do a custom home, because it sells for a lot more if you have a custom home as opposed to you going to the builders, where we can get for the same amount, and it's a basic project, right? For something like this, it's a custom home, it's always going to be much more expensive when you're selling a custom home like this once it's all said and done, right? And that's why people buy a piece of land, demolish a house like this, and they would build a custom home. So if you guys want to build a custom home like this, so this is what the process is. So this is phase two. We're doing a demolition right now, and yeah, probably by the end of next year around this time, this house will be pretty much done, and I'm gonna show you guys the process, like step by step, of what this project would look like. You got a crane, a 2-story home. Watch this. Okay. Ooh. Watch that. That's your $1.5 million home right there.